Have you ever been somewhere that felt like a dream? A place so beautiful and serene that it seems like time slows down and all your worries fade away? Sometimes you need to step away from the hustle and bustle, away from the noise and distractions, to find a moment of clarity. To remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. So I was in my room, doing the same old brainstorming and trying to do work when you're a content creator. But I always end up mindlessly scrolling through social media or watching YouTube videos. It's probably because I always get stuck on the first stage of creating content, which is the idea. Don't get me wrong, lots of ideas come up randomly, and I've developed a pretty good habit of writing them down whenever they come up, but it's a lot more complicated than that. Sometimes I feel like the ideas aren't good enough, or when I do happen to have a decent enough idea, I don't really know how to execute it. And that's where the real challenge lies. Because creating something that people care about means pushing past the doubt and fear. It means taking risks and being vulnerable. But it also means being true to yourself and your passions. And sometimes the best way to find the inspiration is to step away and immerse yourself in the world around you. To find those moments of beauty and wonder, just like I did on this day. The last time I was here, I wasn't going at this pace and I was dying. But now, I'm going at a pretty decent pace and I can keep up a conversation somewhat. So, that's a win. I don't know why I wasn't doing the front-facing camera, but okay.
Oh, did you fart?
This is the infamous wall.
Yes, so...
I don't really know what's over there, but the trail is this way. So, yeah. Dun dun dun. It doesn't look that good right now. There's no falls. It's pretty windy right now, and the sound of the bamboo forest just hitting each other is just interesting. So I literally have never taken out my camera gear for this hike. Just been using my phone, but it was worth it because I kind of get a little bit of the training of just carrying my gear around wherever I go, and I get used to the weight. So I'm also hiking in slippers or flip-flops. I almost slipped there. It's so pretty. Have you ever thought about what makes a waterfall so beautiful? It's literally just water falling, but it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. It's muddy. That is really gross. Oh, look at that. It's cold.
It is cold.
Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back.
Pa rin ang gumamelang pinalik mo sa akin, tayo maghiwalay.
Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.